Hello there everyone, my name is Preetam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this quick video, I will be talking about the Microsoft themes and how you can download free Microsoft Windows 11 themes from where you can actually download them and install them. And believe me guys, the process of installation and download will be very simple. So without ado, let's get started. So we will be pressing Windows button or we will be clicking here on this Windows icon. Now here you will type Microsoft Store or Store. Now here we can see the Microsoft Store icon. Just click on it. Now type here themes. And believe me guys, these themes are completely free and very lightweight, and the process of installation is just one click. You do not need to go through complicated process that you may find the lot of YouTube videos actually offer or tell. Again, even if you follow those techniques, that will eventually make your system more prone to viruses, and secondly, it will make your system really heavy. So just search for themes and here you will find beautiful themes from Microsoft. You can choose anyone, whichever you like. For example, you want some theme having panoramic beauty, then you can select that kind of theme. For example, this one I want to install. I can click here on get. Now here we can see that process of download has begun and it got installed successfully. Now click on open. And here we go. We can see this recent theme got installed in our system. Just click on it and in this way, we can easily install theme to our system. Eventually, you can also click here on browse theme. This again will take you to same Microsoft Store and here you can find more themes. So based on your preference, you can choose any of them. That's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.